Hi students, how are you today? Are you ready for the English class? Let's start. The topic for today is farm animals. Farm animals. Let's listen to a song first. After listening to the song, you have to know the name of the animals. The first one is horse. Horse. Cow. Cow. Turkey. Turkey. Goat. Goat. Sheep. Sheep. Duck. Duck. Hen. Hen. Rooster. Rooster. Goose. Goose. Let's read. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. The next page. Let's read. This is a dog. A dog can run. This is a dog. A dog can run. This is a cow. A cow can walk. This is a cow. A cow can walk. This is a duck. A duck can swim. This is a duck. A duck can swim. This is a bird. A bird can fly. This is a bird. A bird can fly. This is a horse. A horse can gallop. This is a horse. A horse can gallop. Gallop means can run very fast. This is a tortoise. A tortoise can crawl. This is a tortoise. A tortoise can crawl. Let's revise. A dog can run. A cow can walk. A duck can swim. A bird can fly. A horse can gallop. A tortoise can crawl. Now, let's do the activity book. The first part. Label the following animals in the picture below. Duck, hen, goat, horse, cow, dog, cat, turkey. The second part. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Calf or chick. The third part. First thing you need to trace the sentences. For A, a cow can walk. B, a dog can run. C, a horse can gallop. D, a tortoise can crawl. Then label each picture below by writing A, B, C, and D into the circles. For writing section, you need to write the sentence, tomatoes are small. Tomatoes are small. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson.